Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a super quick and comforting Chinese breakfast, millet congee and jianbing. So let's get started! I start by raising the millet, adding it to a pot with water, and putting it on the stove. Once it comes to a boil, I turn the heat down and just let it simmer, giving it a quick stir once in a while. Okay, while that's cooking, we can make the jianbing batter by mixing everything together in one bowl. Perfect. A little bit baking powder and water. Just mix everything together until there's no dry flour left. See, like this. Okay, good. Then heat up a pan over medium-high heat and lightly oil it with a paper towel so nothing gonna be sticks. Then we can pour the batter in the pan. Use your spoon to spread it out. Make sure it's evenly, like this. You must do very fast before it's set. Okay, like this. So once the bottom's set, I just crack an egg on the top. Spread it out with the spoon. Now we can put some toasted sesame seeds. And some green onion. You can also put some cilantro. I don't have cilantro in my home today, so I just put some green onion. Okay, now we can flip it over with spatula. Flip like this. Beautiful. And then you need a brush. Brush on fermented tofu, sweet bean sauce. Brush. I forgot my favorite chili. Okay, there we go. Get some chili sauce. Smells good. And then add my special filling today, chili and sour potato. You can also use lettuce if you prefer. Place some here in the middle. We're gonna fold it later, so don't put everywhere. And then put some spam on the top, like this. You can also put like bacon, chicken, whatever you like for the meat. Okay, next. We fold everything together. See how beautiful it is? Wow. You can fold it. Wow, okay. Turn off. Okay guys, by now the millet congee is ready too. So I just give it a quick stir. And you can just put it into a bowl. And that's it.